Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to remove these brackets from this tabletop. So I have a alloy wheel that I'm gonna use as a table base, and I want to put this tabletop, but I need to remove these brackets first. To remove the brackets, I'll try and hit them with a heat gun. Will require a lot of heat, but as you can see, it came out. That's why I put the gloves on, because it was getting really hot. So I'll do the rest. To remove the glue, you can use a cutter and scrape it like this. As you can see, this helps. Don't forget to subscribe to see the outcome with the table, and see you on the next one.